Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Aniyomi app, right, and how to set it up and how to use it. So first thing, you must have to install the Aniyomi app first, and once you install the app, you have to open it up. So this is the first one, the first part where you choose to pick a theme you're going to be using. So we're using the dynamic. Click on next, click on select a folder. You pick any random folder of your choice, and okay. Or they say you can't use this folder, you get to pick any other one. Okay, or just create a new one. Aniyomi, Aniyomi. Click on OK and you use this folder. Click on allow. Click on storage guide as well, and they're going to show you quite a list of guides, and you click on next. Then you grant permission, grant for the next one, you allow, you grant for background battery usage. Click on the next, and you'll be getting a guide, and you can just choose to get started. So once you get started, the next thing you can see there's 4 or 5 options below where you see your anime, manga, updates, browse, and more. So if you don't have all this feature, you can just simply click on more. Okay, because they have listed mine under, so you can just click on anime. So once you click on anime, click on manga, get the stuff listed, and they're going to give you like a guide. So you have to go to browse. So once you go to browse, you can see manga source and anime. You can see them, migrants, and the rest of that. So you can click on extension repos, and once you go there, you click on add. Once you click on add, you go to your Chrome browser and you search for extension repos for Aniyomi. So you click on the first one, it's going to open up, and you make sure you go back and make sure you are at pick up anyone, and just click on install, or click on this and always, and you just get this. Click on add, and you just got a repos. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.